Tired of traditional banks with their confusing fees and limited online access? Thinking about switching to Ally Bank, but not sure what it takes to get started? You're in the right place. Transition to a more relaxed, conversational tone. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question I get asked a lot. Does Ally Bank require a deposit to open an account? Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about Ally Bank itself. Ally is an online-only bank known for its high-yield savings accounts, competitive interest rates, and user-friendly mobile app. They've built a reputation for customer satisfaction and innovative banking solutions. But here's the thing, online banks, while offering a lot of convenience, might seem a bit different from traditional brick-and-mortar banks. You know, the ones you visit in person, with tellers and those classic bank lobbies. So, it's natural to have questions about how it all works. So, back to the main question, does Ally Bank require a deposit? The short answer is generally no. Ally Bank, like many online banks, doesn't typically require a minimum opening deposit to open a savings or checking account. This is a major plus for many people, especially those just starting out or those who are looking to switch banks without a large sum of money readily available. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Account types. While there's no minimum opening deposit for many of their core accounts, some specialized accounts or services might have different requirements. For example, certain high-yield savings accounts might have minimum balance requirements to earn the highest interest rates. Account specifics. It's always a good idea to check the specific terms and conditions for each account type you're interested in. Ally's website and mobile app provide detailed information on each account, including any minimum balance requirements, fees, and other important details. Funding your account. Even though you might not need a large initial deposit to open an account, you'll need to fund it somehow. Ally offers various convenient funding options, such as electronic transfers. Transferring funds from another bank account is usually quick and easy. Direct deposit. Setting up direct deposit for your paycheck or other income is a seamless way to fund your Ally account regularly. Mobile check deposit. Ally's mobile app often allows you to deposit checks by simply taking a picture of them with your phone's camera. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this no minimum deposit policy. Accessibility. It makes banking more accessible to people from all walks of life, regardless of their financial situation. Flexibility. It gives you the freedom to start small and gradually increase your savings or checking account balance over time. Low-risk exploration. You can easily open an account and explore Ally services without any significant financial commitment. But what are the potential downsides of this policy? Limited earning potential. Some accounts might have minimum balance requirements to earn the highest interest rates. If you don't consistently maintain a certain balance, you might not earn as much interest as you could. Potential for overdraft fees. If you make withdrawals or payments that exceed your account balance, you could incur overdraft fees. So, how does Ally Bank compare to traditional banks in terms of minimum deposit requirements? Traditional banks often have higher minimum deposit requirements for opening accounts. Some checking accounts might require a significant initial deposit, while others might have ongoing minimum balance requirements to avoid monthly maintenance fees. Here's a quick comparison. Ally Bank, generally no minimum opening deposit, more flexible minimum balance requirements. Traditional banks, often higher minimum opening deposits, more stringent minimum balance requirements to avoid fees. Now, let's address some common concerns people have about online banking. Security. Online banks have robust security measures in place to protect your money and personal information. Customer service. Ally Bank is known for its excellent customer service, which is typically available 24/7 through various channels like phone, email, and live chat. Branch access. Since Ally is an online-only bank, you won't have access to physical branches. However, their ATM network and mobile app provide convenient access to your funds. So, is Ally Bank the right choice for you? If you're looking for a bank with no minimum opening deposit, competitive interest rates, and a user-friendly mobile app, Ally Bank is definitely worth considering. However, it's important to carefully research and compare different account options to find the best fit for your individual needs and financial goals. Here are some key takeaways. Ally Bank generally doesn't require a minimum opening deposit for many of its accounts. This makes banking more accessible and allows you to start small. Be sure to check the specific terms and conditions for each account type. Consider your funding options and how you'll manage your account. Compare Ally Bank to traditional banks to find the best option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.